Even though they can't like really vocalize their emotions, you can tell that just by hearing them cry or just seeing them, they do have emotions. You can see it in their eyes, you can see it in their ears, you can see it in their mouth, that when they're happy, when they're sad, when they're joyous, and they're just loving and caring. The Muncie Animal Shelter's mission is to make sure the animals have a happy life and have good a good life with those who can take care of them. They care for the animals, and they know what the animals need. The Muncie Animal Shelter needs volunteers because they need those who can help. So because they don't have enough workers to keep going, or they just need the helping hand from the Ball State community and the Muncie community.